Hey guys, Justin here. I'm in North Point right now, and according to the caption, start the day off right here. And according to the caption, purple loves me because perfect timing for the first LOHAS Park train, I think, during evening rush hours. So the next train is LOHAS Park, which is going to be another K-Train. 306. Is it 306? Yes, it is 306. Do full journey. Here we go to LOHAS Park at the last car. A305.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Here we go! Full journey time, here we go. Do a little bit of a sit-down filming real fast when there are not too many people. Although we have done this definitely recently, but we'll do it again. This is during evening rush hour, so of course we'll do it.
請勿靠近車門，請不要靠近車門。Please stand back from the train doors.
I really would like an M train going over to LOHAS Park, but not getting it. Next station, Quarry Bay. Please stand back from the train doors. 乘客可以轉乘觀塘線，左邊嘅車門將會打開。下一站油塘，乘客可以換乘觀塘線，左邊的車門將會打開。Next station, Rotem, interchange station for the Tseung line. Doors will open on the left.
本班列車以康城為尾站，往坑口或寶林嘅乘客，請喺將軍澳站轉乘下一班車。本班列車的終點站是康城，前往坑口或寶林的乘客，請在將軍澳站換乘下一班車。This train will stop service at LOHAS Park. Passengers for Hanhao or Collab should change to the next train at Kwan.
Now today is Friday and it's Christmas Eve, so happy Christmas Eve, everyone. And but you guys should be watching these videos. I think this one will be on Christmas Eve, so happy Christmas Eve, everyone. And later on we'll film the vlog, and the vlog will be on Christmas Day. I'll upload tomorrow, so I'll upload on Christmas Day. So later on we'll say happy Christmas to you guys. But today we'll have two videos. Trying to break it up and do as many of the requests quickly as my date to Australia is confirmed, and later on I will film the lecture talking about it. Arrived at Yao Tong. And there are a lot of people today. When I go across the harbor using buses, everyone's going to the exhibition in Victoria Park, the brand product exhibition. And there's an M train over there. That's a cool one.
Please stand back from the train doors.
No, but because of this train is actually a LOHAS Park train, not a lot of people. Next station, Tseung. Okay, but the train on the other side just arrived. Has just arrived, but I don't know how many people are going into LOHAS Park. The answer is at least on this side there's actually a lot of people, so we need to stand back up. Alright, stand back up.下一站將軍澳，下一站將軍澳 ，Next station 長關澳。
本班列車以康城為尾站，往坑口或寶林嘅乘客請喺將軍澳站轉乘下一班車。本班列車的出品站是康城，前往坑口或宝林乘客，请在將軍澳站換乘下一班車。
We stop service at LOHAS Park. Passengers for Hang Hao or Collab should change to the next train at Tseung.
This train以康城為尾站。This train will stop service at LOHAS Park.
Another K-Train. That one is for North Point, but it's probably from LOHAS Park.
Stand back from the train doors.
往坑城列車即將到達，請先讓車上乘客落車。前往康城的列車即將到達，請先讓車上的乘客下車。The train to LOHAS Park is arriving. Please let passengers exit first.康城，本班列车已经到达终点站，谢谢乘搭港铁。LOHAS Park, this train now stops service. Thank you for traveling on the MTR. Should be heading outdoors. Here we go, heading outdoors now. Just one little section of outdoors. And always, doors will open on the left. And this train will head back down to North Point. We'll end the video as soon as we get off the train. Hope you guys enjoyed this food journey, another LOHAS Park from North Point food journey. Remember to like and subscribe, click the bell so that you can get notifications when I post. Remember, no more requests will be accepted, so please do not request anymore. Check out the links in the description down below for my other channels and my Instagram. Click on this video up top, and I'll see you guys later. Peace. Peace.